Hi, I'm Amy Lacey. I'm the founder of Cali'flour Foods and the author of the Cali'flour Kitchen. I'm also one of 50 million people who have been diagnosed with an autoimmune disease. After I was diagnosed with lupus and Sjogren's, I knew I needed to take my mess and make a message out of it. And that's how Cali'flour Foods and the Cali'flour Kitchen came about. I love writing the Cali'flour Kitchen so much because it allowed me to share memories of living in places like New Orleans. For 8 years, I lived in New Orleans with my husband, Jim, and we ate our fair share of shrimp and grits. I love the recipe in the cookbook because not only does it take the grits out and make a healthier version, but it uses cauliflower, my favorite vegetable. So we take cauliflower rice and swap out the grits. There's so many dishes that I never thought I would be able to eat again. And then I realized that I could substitute cauliflower in place of those, like shrimp and grits.